James Dewey Watson. James Dewey Watson was born in Chicago on 6 April 1928 as the only son of James D. Watson, a businessman, and Jean Mitchell. His father's ancestors were originally of English descent and had lived in the Midwest for several generations. In 1947, he received a BSc degree in zoology. During these years, his boyhood interest in bird watching had matured into a serious desire to learn genetics. This became possible when he received a fellowship for graduate study in zoology at Indiana University in Bloomington, where he received his PhD degree in zoology in 1950. He soon met Crick and discovered their common interest in solving the DNA structure. Their first serious effort in the late autumn of 1951 was unsatisfactory. Their second effort, based upon more experimental evidence and better appreciation of the nucleic acid literature, resulted early in March 1953 in the proposal of the complementary double helical configuration. Jerome Hal Lemmon. Jerome Jerry Hal Lemmon is one of the most prolific inventors of all times. The 605 patents against his name substantiate this fact. Jerry had a passion towards innovation from his childhood. The invention of tongue depressor by him in his childhood is a proof of the fact. Being a postgraduate in aeronautical and industrial engineering, he had a penchant for technology. His first major innovation was the universal robot. He wrote an article named Machine Vision, along with his first patent application in the year 1954. He designed the automated warehousing system, which he later licensed to the Triax Corporation in 1964. Along with these inventions, he made other inventions in the field of cordless telephones, fax machines, camcorders, and so on. Though marred by many litigation and negotiation issues related to patents, he is revered as a champion by the community of independent inventors. The Lemmon Son Foundation, founded by his family in the year 1993, is supporting inventions in the US and other countries. Jean Piaget was born on 9th August 1896 in Neuchâtel, Switzerland. Jean Piaget was a precocious child, having published his first article on an albino sparrow at the age of 11. This brief study is considered the beginning of his brilliant scientific career. On Saturday, Jean Piaget worked for free at the Natural History Museum. Jean Piaget attended the University of Neuchâtel, where he studied biology and philosophy. He received his PhD in biology in 1918 at the age of 22. In 1919, Jean Piaget moved to France, where he was invited to work in the laboratory of Alfred Binet, a famous child psychologist who developed standardized intelligence tests for children. Jean Piaget noted that the French children of the same age made mistakes like these tests and concluded that logical thinking develops gradually. The year 1919 was a milestone in his life. Jean Piaget began his experimental studies on the human mind and also started researching on the development of cognitive skills. His knowledge of biology led him to see the cognitive development of a child as a gradual evolution. Jean Piaget died in Geneva in 16 September 1980. Johannes Gutenberg. Johannes Gutenberg was born 1398 in Mainz, Germany. He is credited with the invention of the printing press. His father worked at the Mainz Mint, and Johann used to go with him. He learned tips from jewelers and goldsmiths about how to shape or how to make metal. These tips would later on in life help him with his invention. Johann started by making metal letters with the help of techniques learned from the Mainz Mint. He arranged them in a sentence and pressed the pieces of paper against the letters with his hands. But by doing so, ink did not come out evenly. It was much later, with the progress he made, a Latin Bible which was printed. It had been printed from the movable types of metal. Before Gutenberg died, many printing presses were at work making books in all the great cities. Johannes Gutenberg died in Mainz in 1468. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.